Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change the organization language in Zoho Books. This is particularly useful if you're managing a business in a region where a different language is preferred, or if you simply want your accounting interface to match your team's primary language for better clarity and efficiency. First, open a web browser and navigate to zoho.com/books. This will take you directly to the Zoho Books login page where you can access your account. Once you're there, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Make sure you're signing in with the account that has administrative access to your organization's settings, as this is typically required to make changes to organizational preferences. After logging in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page where you'll find the gear icon labeled Settings. Click on this icon to access the various configuration options available for your Zoho Books account. This is your central hub for managing everything from preferences to organizational details. From the menu that appears, look for the Organization section and select Organization Profile. This section contains all the fundamental information about your business setup, including details like your company name, address, and importantly, your language preferences. It's where you can customize how Zoho Books presents information to you and your team. Now scroll down through the Organization Profile page until you locate the Language drop-down menu. This is the feature that controls the interface language for your entire organization within Zoho Books. When you click on this drop-down, you'll see a list of available languages that Zoho Books supports. Browse through the options and select your preferred language from the list. Choosing the right language here ensures that all menus, buttons, and system messages will display in that language, making navigation more intuitive for your team. Once you've made your selection, you'll need to finalize the change by clicking the Save button. You'll typically find this button either at the bottom or top of the page, depending on your screen size. Clicking Save ensures that your language preference is applied across your organization's Zoho Books account. And that's it. Your organization language in Zoho Books has been successfully updated. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.